morning, good morning, good morning. Left Port Augusta. Still don't know what the population is. And man, it's flat. It is dead flat. There's a slight incline we're going up to, but I guess living in and around the coasts, big cities and stuff, you don't get flat that often, like flat. Like flat. So yeah, I'm bored already. Kick back, cruise control, have a bit of a nap, let the car do its own thing. We'll get there. It's only really just hit me now that I'm on these straight stretches of road and there's nothing around, well, there's bush around now, but it was flat before. I'm driving to fucking Perth. What the hell? It's a 4,000 kilometre journey. Driving across country. Australia's massive. Australia is massive. Even flying, it's a 4.5 hour flight. Probably equivalent to going, well, it's definitely roughly the equivalent of East Coast to West Coast USA, continental USA. Might do the comparison tonight just to see how it stacks up. Do you know they have the Panama Run in the US? It's not legal, but you know, from the East Coast to the West Coast, Panama Run. I think the fastest time somebody did that, which was through COVID, so it doesn't really count because there wasn't a lot of cars, and then that figure's actually been disputed. Something like 23 hours. So we will. I'll do some comparisons tonight, just to see how it can compare. So for all those viewers in the US, let's see how we stack up. It's pissing down now. We've got shitloads of rain. Look at this. A shizzle amount of rain. I see clear skies. That's not even focusing, is it? Let me know in the comments, you international folk. If you're on a country road, you do the finger sign. That's a very Australian thing, I think, to do. If you're on these country roads, long drives, long journeys, travellers come in opposite directions. It's a continual, just to give that acknowledgement. Yep, we're on a long ass journey. You're coming from somewhere that's far away. I'm coming from somewhere that's far away. We're passing in the middle of our journeys. There you go. But I tell you what, it's a bit constant because you're constantly like this. And if you're driving down here, you know, hands down on the steering wheel, and you see somebody and they put their hands up, you feel like a bit of a knob, not going, oh wait. Hello. So yes, international folks, let me know. I'm interested to hear, do you guys have a journey acknowledgement sign? We need a new name for that. see it because of the sun, but there's a massive light over there. It's a lighthouse. Like it's a huge, about as tall as a windmill light. There's none other around on this plane that I can see. Like it's all just empty. But yeah, it's a massive. Once we ran this bend on my back there, I don't know what it's shining its light on. It's weird. It's not reflecting the sun. Yeah, bizarre. Shining a light on the four landing windows. That mountain is a strip. Look at it. It's fully mined. Look how flat the tops are. Wonder what they're getting out of there. But we're coming up to Iron Knob. What's the name of this town? Settlement? Iron Knob. So it must be iron ore, maybe. But yeah, it's just bizarre. This strip of mountain.